Reconstitute the Fluidiphore dye using 100 microliters of DMF, methanol or acetonitrile. Do not use amine containing solutions or buffers as a solvent. Once the dye has been reconstituted, add 5 to 10 microliters of the dye solution dropwise to your protein solution. Remember to mix the solution well by pipetting up and down. Allow the mixture to stand for 30 minutes at room temperature until the blue color has changed. The solution will turn red or yellow depending on the pH of the solution. Centrifuge your sample at 14,000 Gs for 15 minutes to remove dye precipitate. Finally, use a pipette to remove the solution from unbound precipitate. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website at www.fluidic.com.